Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everyone, in this problem it is given we have to calculate the resultant of all forces and moment of force about the point O. Now the forces are given in the diagram. There is a xy plane. This is the force of 455 Newton and it having the direction here. This is the direction given. If this is 12, this is 5, this is 30 and this is angle theta. Suppose this point is A. Now another point we will consider B. And this is the force of 600 Newton at angle 60 degree. Position of P point is marked here. This distance is 0.75 meter from here to here, and this is 2.5 meter, and this is the point O. Let this force to be F1 and this force to be F2. We will write F1 and F2 force in component form. So F1 force could be written as 455. Here it will be negative sine of theta I cap plus 455 cos of theta j cap. You can see the figure. Component of F1 will be along negative x-axis and component of F1 along y-axis is positive because it will be in this direction. Now substitute the value. From the figure we can find sine of theta will be 12 upon 13 and cos of theta 5 upon 13. We will substitute the value here. So on simplifying F1 force you will get negative 420 Newton I cap plus 175 Newton J cap, and we are considering this equation to be 1. Similarly, we can calculate F2 force. So here F2 force is in fourth quadrant. So its x component will be positive, y component will be negative. So 600 cos of 60 I cap it would be negative minus 600 sine of 60 j cap. On simplifying you will get cos 60 is half, so it will be 300 I cap. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, so it will be approximately 520 J cap Newton. So this is your F2 force. We are giving equation number 2. Now resultant force of F1 and F2, we are substituting the value here. So we will find it is to be 420 I cap plus 175 J cap. F2 value substitute 300 I cap minus 520 J cap. So resultant force could be written as 300 I cap minus 520 J cap Newton. You can draw the diagram for this resultant force independently. This will be the resultant force. This angle you can find. The magnitude of resultant force is root of 300 square plus minus 520 square. On simplifying, this value is 365 Newton. So magnitude of resultant force is 365 Newton, and it is at angle theta is equal to tan inverse of minus 520 upon 300. We are neglecting here minus because I have shown in the diagram. So negative sign is not required. So its value will be around 70.8 degree. So this will be the resultant force. Now we have to calculate moment of this force. So MO moment of force of F1 we are calculating first. F1 is minus 420 I cap plus 175 J cap Newton, and its rotating arm vector of the force is 0 I cap plus 2J cap K cap meter. So moment of this force about O would be OA cross F1. OA is 2J cap cross minus 420 I cap plus 175 J cap, and this value will be 840 Newton meter K cap, that is in anti-clockwise direction. Now calculation for moment of force about O due to F2 force. So here F2 force is given 300 I cap minus 520 J cap Newton, and its rotating arm vector is OB vector, which having the value minus 2.5 I cap minus 0.75 J cap meter. So moment of this force about O, we will get we can solve by determinant method. I cap J cap K cap minus 2.5 minus 0.75 0 300 minus 520 0. So on solving this, you will get 1475 Newton meter K cap, or you may write direction is anti-clockwise. So total moment of force about O will be MO F1 moment of force due to F1. I have to make a correction here. Moment of force due to F1 force and moment of force about O due to F2 force. Both are in the same direction, so directly we can add. So it would be 840 K cap plus 1475 K cap. So answer would be 2315 K cap Newton into meter. First I am writing the unit or direction, you may write in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the problem for this answer. Thank you for watching.